Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Sonovue and the barium contrast media. So what is this? So Sonovue, it is nothing but sonography, and there are presence of microtubules of the sulfur hexafluoride gas, and this is present inside that of the phospholipid shell, and the Sonovue, it is given IV and it is excreted by the lungs, and this is very safe in case of the renal failure. Then we move on to the barium. So under the barium, there is the barium sulfate is done for the GI pathology. The barium sulfate is done for the GI pathology. It is not given in IV as it is water insoluble. So it is not given IV. So why is it contraindicated? The barium contrast media, it is contraindicated in cases of where it goes into the peritoneal cavity. Next is when it does not get absorbed. So does not get absorbed, as well as the irritate peritoneum, and it causes peritonitis, small bowel obstruction, as well as the TE fistula. Next is there is a low osmolar non-ionic iohexol. There is a low osmolar non-ionic iohexol. So this is used instead of such cases. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.